All right. Get this baby out of here. That's gonna be close, see? Because we gotta come off of that with a 90. It's gonna be up here. You know what I mean? It's gonna be close. We'll figure it out though. Did you get the other screw out of there?
I don't know. I'll show you.
Where's your headlamp at?
My headlamp?
Yes. You need to have that on. It's good. Bring it at an angle, and there you go. Pull.
I'm expected to be here.
That's fine. Oh yeah, bada bing.
Those zip screws?
Joey.
Yep.
Never mind. I was gonna say you break Y with that, but that's okay.
And just all I gotta do is close the coils off.
Yeah, you know, come out here, when you're having a beer or something, springtime, you see any buildup over here on the coils, pull that disconnect out. If you're not comfortable with that, shut it off with the breaker.
The disconnect. What?
Right here.
That fuse box.
Right here. Pull this out
Okay.
with your right arm. But if you feel more comfortable, just shut it off with the breaker.
Okay.
Just hose this down. Keep these coils clean.
If I don't take that out,
Well, that's just,
sort it out.
yeah, you just don't want to be spraying water around it, that's all. That's a maintenance switch.
Okay, but this can get.
Yeah, yeah.
There's nothing over there in
Nope.
the corner that's hooked up. That I
Hose this
don't know.
down, hose all it around, keep your filter changed, and yeah.
Those are inside there.
I'll show you that here in a second. I just want to check these pressures. Let this run.
How louder it's gonna be?
Yeah.
Way quieter.
Yeah, like I said, I couldn't, this slab was crooked, so that's why there's an offset there. But it's straight here. So. Yeah.